सो हे आमकां मारगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिल फातोर्डेचो आमदार जावं आमचे मारगांवचो आमदार जावं तेंच्यांनी आमकां थिंगासर हेल्प करपाक जाय बिकॉज इट इज इन देयर सायड एंड मारगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिल. I think we will go in within these 8 days. We will mobilize our equipments, machinery, all the earth movers, chain link JCBs, and we will first send them there, and we will go for the meeting and inspection. Immediately work will start. I will take the Honorable Chief Minister, and the work will start over there on
and
site.
How long will it take to complete?
It will take nearly 2 long years. थोडेच वर्सां लागतली ती इतलो वेस्ट आहा तो 2,35,000 cubic meters of waste which is of so many years and every day आता वेस्ट आहा तोय थिंगा येता. हायकोर्टान कितें डायरेक्शन दिला की थिंगा आनी वेस्ट येवंक पारना थिंगा ट्रीट जायना वेस्ट थिंगा येवन डंप जाता वेस्ट. सो we are treating this waste so that a new solid waste management plant comes over there, GWMC plant comes over there. And we are serious on putting up a plant over there, but थिंगा जागो ना, so आदलो waste treat केल्या बगर जावचे ना. So we want to treat it in 1 year. For that we want cooperation from Margaon Municipal Council, cooperation from the MLAs over there. They cannot say that this is not my waste, so they have to stand by it and give us support. So that support in terms of land we want, not to keep permanent waste over there. We will every day shift waste.